This is a video review for the USB water pump. So you can see here's the USB. We have it right now in our dog's water bowl. We bought this as a replacement for the pump that the water bowl came with. That pump had lasted us for a number of years. And this one seemingly at the start worked great, but we're about a month into owning it. And you can see I'm plugging this in right here. And you can hear that it's on, but no water is coming through. So effectively all we've done is wash our dog's water bowl. And now it's plugged in again. It's not even pumping enough to like disturb the top of the water. So I can feel if I go and put my finger against here that it is pumping, but it's not doing it so much to even hardly disturb the top of the water, let alone pump it up through the fountain for our dog to drink out of her water bowl. We'll be returning this, but just wanted to let you guys all know that this doesn't seemingly last very long.
Yesterday, after the women's
Not working.
tournament was over, and none of them have anything on the tournament. They just showed us youth soccer national
Plugged
team
in.
the
I've
US.
tried 2 different
Youth soccer.
tubes.
Ugh.